Alright everyone, so in this video we are going to see how you can execute a full-fledged Python file, I mean to say a .py file directly inside your Colab environment. Alright, so first of all we should create a file inside our Colab environment. So you can see I am inside the Colab environment, and in the last video only we have learned about that there are some magic commands are available. So one of the magic commands which I am going to use it like a write file. You can see write file. Here let me provide some file name. Let's say test.py. So it will create a blank test.py file, and if you want to write the content inside that, you can just simply type whatever the content you want to write it. So we are going to write a full-fledged Python code inside that. Let me write a few lines of command. Let's say hello from Colab. Let me display a few variable, let's say 2, and I'm just going to print a. So this is the content it is going to write inside the test.py file. Before that, let me just run it. So till now there is no execution we have done. We have just created a file where it is going to write the content like this 3 line. Now if you want to observe what are the content has been written, if you want to open that file, you can click on this file explorer and you can see there is a file like a test.py got created. Let me click on it or just double click on it, and you can see on the right hand side there are 3 lines got written inside the test.py file. Now how we can execute it? So to execute any file, either if you are on a Windows machine, Linux or a Mac machine, you can just simply provide the commands like a Python space the file which you want to execute it. So in this particular case, I'm going to use this exclamation mark because now this Python behaves like a system level command. So let me provide Python, and along with that which particular file I want to execute it. So in our case, I am currently in this particular directory, so I do not need to worry about giving any specific path. Or if you want to give specific path, just click on this test.py file, right click and copy path, and just provide it here. So it will be a content/test.py. Let me just run it, and you can see it has executed this test.py file correctly and displayed like a hello from Colab, and we have a 2 got displayed because of this variable. So this way you can create a file like an externally created file and execute it inside the Colab environment. But now here we are dealing with a very small file, and because of this shell magic command write file we have written inside the file. But suppose if you are dealing with a very long file, or maybe you are dealing with a very long projects, or maybe multiple files, so there are other ways also you can go ahead. So for that we can go to the drive first of all, and inside the drive we are going to upload all our code. So I am inside the my drive. So here let me create one file, or what I can do, I can go to a simple notepad editor. Let me open, let's say I have a Visual Studio Code is available with me, and I'm just going to create a new file. So that will be a Python file. So now let me write a very simple statement. So first I'm going to upload this file to the Google Drive, and from Google Drive I will just snatch it, or I would say I will pull it inside the Colab environment, and then only we are going to execute it. So this will be hello from, let's say, VS Code. I'm going to write a very simple command. Let me just save it. So on a desktop I am just going to save it like a, let's say, another test.py. Alright. Now this particular file, another -test.py file, I'm going to upload it. So for that I'm going to use this Google Drive. Now what is the options available to upload it? I have to check actually. I guess yes. So we have file upload options are available. I can go to desktop, and I have another test.py file is available. Let me just search from here whether file got successfully uploaded or not. So let me just search another test.py file is available. So now all those you can say the source code is available in a Google Drive. So I can just mount this Google Drive on our Google Colab environment. And to mount it, we can use the another library like from, let's say, google.colab. Let me import drive. And the next one will be, I have to mount. So it will be a drive.mount where I want to mount it. So it will be a slash, let's say, content, and it will be inside the drive. So the moment I execute it, it will ask me for the permission. So the first ever thing, I have to go to this particular URL. Let me open it into new tab. I have to give the permission from my account. Yes, allow. And moment you allow it, it will generate a very big token. I would say let's just copy this token, go back to Google Colab and provide it inside the authorization code and just enter it. Alright, so you can see now it got mounted. On a left hand side, just refresh it and you can see now inside the drive there is a my drive, and I guess inside the my drive those file which we can search like a another -test.py file is available. Now I can just simply provide the path of this file and I can execute it. So let me just right click, copy the path, and I have to go here. Let's say it will be a explanation mark Python. Let me provide the full path. Let me run it. Oops, they are saying that there is no file like this. Yeah, that is maybe because of this page. So I can use like a quotes here, and let's just try it. Alright, and we got the output like a hello from VS Code, and that is what we have written inside this file, hello from VS Code. Alright, so this is how you can create an external file inside the Colab environment. So there are two ways we have seen. So first one, we have explicitly created a file with this magic commands, and another one will be we have used this Google Drive. We uploaded our all source code inside the Google Drive, and from Google Drive we have just mounted all those things directly to the Google Colab environment, and from that we can easily access all those source code to execute it. Alright, so that is all about how to execute external .python or .py file directly inside the Google Colab environment. So I hope you enjoy listening to this video, and see you into next video with some cool Colab stuff. So till that time, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.